Manny's turn to help with breakfast this morning.
How do you pop that?
You see this little line right there? See if you can hit it up against the counter. Watch your fingers.
Okay.
Let's try the peel method first, right here.
I know how to peel it.
There you go.
Oh, maybe at the big part.
Yeah, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Watch out, because here comes Granny.
Okay.
It's pre-cut.
You just gotta take them apart like this and then sit them on the pan. It's a little tricky, huh?
Yeah, with a big piece.
I think we just need one can this morning. It's just you and Jonah and Sissy. Can you put this one right here? Up here beside each other. Yeah, they cook better if they're beside each other, like a big cinnamon roll family.
I want to fix that piece.
Alright, and I'll put them in the oven for you, okay?
Okay.
We're over here at the first farm, and they bringing several horses over here to get shod and trimmed. I don't know exactly how many I got, but there'll be a lot of them.
What you doing? Are you cleaning your neck?
Yeah.
Why?
Because.
Oh, you got popsicle. He was eating a popsicle. It got sticky. We're about to make the movie night treat. It's gonna be chocolate, peanut butter, not really sure what to call them. Chocolate, peanut butter, cookie parfaits. And we're gonna use these cookies. I think these are just called peanut butter fudge cookies or something. We threw the package away and put them in here. It's kind of like those Girl Scout peanut butter cookies, I think. Anyway, we're gonna crush some of these up to put on the bottom, so they're also gonna be a little bit like dirt cups. We'll make the chocolate pudding first. I'm gonna show y'all a little trick. If you wanna make instant chocolate pudding, but all you have is vanilla, all you gotta do is add some cocoa powder to the pudding mix and you put it in the bowl. I have 2 of the 3.4 ounce boxes. Okay, so I'm thinking a couple of tablespoons per box of unsweetened cocoa powder. We'll see. We'll add it in here and see what it looks like. We need just a little bit more. That should do it. You could, of course, make homemade chocolate pudding, but since I had that vanilla up there, I wanted to give this a try anyway. Trying to break up any pieces. Some of that cocoa was clumped up a little bit. And we're gonna do a little less milk than the boxes call for. They call for 2 cups per box. So instead of doing 4 cups of milk, we're just gonna do 3. I need to go get some more milk real quick. Oh yeah, that's chocolate. I'm making chocolate pudding. Now we're gonna put this in the refrigerator while we make the peanut butter part. For this, we're gonna need the KitchenAid. We're starting with 6 ounces of softened cream cheese and 1 cup of heavy cream. We're gonna mix this together, then we'll add in a little bit of sugar and the peanut butter. We're going to put in just a couple of tablespoons of sugar and about a 1/4 cup of peanut butter. Maybe a little more than a 1/4 cup. Okay, let me see what it's tasting like here. I also want to see if it's too thick. If it is, I'm going to add just a little bit of milk, but I don't think it is. I think it's perfect. Let's see. The texture is good, but we need a little bit more sugar in there. Okay. So I'm trying to decide if I just want to put a cookie in the bottom, because I think they'll fit. Yeah, they'll fit just right down there in the bottom. Or if I want to crumble it up. I think I'm just going to put one in the bottom of each cup. Kind of like a little crust in the bottom. Uh-oh, that one was upside down. I guess it doesn't matter if they're upside down or not. I'm just going to stir up the pudding a little bit so it's easier to get out, and we'll taste it, and I'll let you know if it tastes like chocolate pudding or vanilla pudding. Tastes like chocolate. It's actually a little better than the instant chocolate pudding. So we'll put our pudding layer. Now I'll just do like that to flatten it out a little bit. It's going to be like a little cookie surprise down there. You don't know it's there. I think we'll just do a middle peanut butter layer and then a chocolate layer on top, because I'm not sure if I have enough of the peanut butter filling to do a whole other layer. This is really good. It almost is just like a peanut butter whipped cream with a little hint of the cream cheese in there, making it almost taste like the peanut butter cheesecake. I'm gonna get these in the refrigerator. I'm gonna order the pizza. If we had some peanut butter cups, we could call them peanut butter cup parfaits, because they're gonna be chocolate peanut butter chocolate. All right, now I'm just gonna put them in the refrigerator like this, and when we get ready to eat them later, we'll put a little whipped cream on top and another one of the peanut butter cookies. Alright, I got the kitchen cleaned up, and I forgot to show y'all the other day the Goose Creek candle that I picked out from Walmart. It's the one called Warm and Welcome. I keep wanting to call it Welcome Home, but it's called Warm and Welcome. Is there some other candle called Welcome Home? Because for some reason, that's what I want this one to be. Anyway, it says vanilla, amber, and woods is the scent, but it has a little bit of a fruity smell to me. Like, it smells really good. And the Goose Creek candles, y'all know I love them. I was ordering them from the Goose Creek website before Walmart even started carrying them. They always have really fun scents, especially like different holiday themed ones and all. But yeah, this one smells really good. It's got that woodsy vanilla smell, but there's, like I said, there's also a little bit of a fruitiness to it. It smells springy and summery, but warm and welcome, fall and wintry at the same time. It's like all of them combined. It's great. Okay, I think I need to cut one of these cookies in half to go on top so you can see the inside of the cookie. Maybe like this.
What exactly is this?
I don't know what to call it.
Got pudding and peanut butter?
Yeah. I made like a, kind of like a creamy whipped cream peanut butter in the middle.
Really good.
And it's chocolate pudding. And then there's one of those whole cookies on the bottom.
That's really good. I like that.
Is it cold?
Yeah.
They've only been in there about 2 hours, I guess.
It's really smooth.